One of the things that a lot of woodworkers combat is you're doing your finishing in the same place you're doing your building. That means you're doing it in your shop. There's dust in the air that wants to settle on your project. That's no good. I've just shot a coat of lacquer onto this one. I want to make sure that ambient dust doesn't end up on it. Here's a very simple solution for small projects like this. This is actually a food tent. It's the kind of thing that if you're having a picnic outside, you'd set this over a hot dish in order to make sure that flies don't land in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erect my tent over my project that's got its wet finish on it. There's a mesh on this tent designed to keep the flies out. It's also going to keep some amount of dust off my project. I'm going to take it one step further and add a piece of newspaper, take advantage of that canopy shape. When I drape the newspaper over the top, that is pretty darn impervious to dust landing on there. These food tents are very inexpensive. You get a couple in a box for only a few bucks. You can get them at just about any place that sells home supplies. It's a great solution for keeping dust off of small projects like this one.